Alright, so let's go ahead and get ourselves ready to start finishing up our navigation menu. We're going to learn about some recursion, pretty exciting stuff. First thing we want to do is go ahead and make sure Dreamweaver is set up. Do that by checking, make sure we're in the right folder, we're in 1X. Let's make sure our Git's coming through. Right now we're on master. We can see we're going to create that 102 in a minute here. So we look at there in Dreamweaver. We want to make sure that our environment is set up by making sure that we have localhost up and running. Everything looks good. I don't see any errors coming through, which is great. Let's take a peek out at our production site real quick just to make sure. Awesome. We'll go ahead and make sure our web host is open. We'll make sure that our repo is open so that we can get to our repository when we need to. We want to make sure that our GitHub page, we'll just check that out, make sure that's reflecting our current master branch, which it is. And then, of course, we want to make sure that our homework is open. From there, we want to go in and we want to take a look. Again, well, just Dreamweaver. One of the things we want to do is click on the file system, go to remote. All looks well there. We have a wonky page in there. I would not worry about that. Actually, we'll probably end up deleting that. I'm not sure what that's doing there. Out of curiosity, I'll pull it down and just check it. So when I double click on it, it pulls it down and the web server will bring it down to my site. Not really sure what that is. Might have been a server issue or something of that nature. And it looks like I was hacked. So what we want to make sure that we do is go and delete that, get rid of that. We'll do a delete. And what they were trying to do is get into my server. You can see it even says with love from Moscow. That's really nice. So edit, delete, yes. Let's go out, remote. I'm actually going to play it safe, I'm going to delete all of my files. Do a delete, yes. Come back to my local, and I'm just going to push my whole master. Make sure I'm on master, which I am, which is our latest branch. I'll go ahead and I'll push that up. It's asking me if I want to push up the entire site. Kind of good this happened. Good little learning lesson. Gotta watch out. People can hop on your site and really do some damage to it. So there we go. We look good. All right. This is why we check our environment. We want to get ahead of anything that's on us, and it's a good way of doing checks and balances, you know, just setting up your environment and getting ready to go. Awesome. All right, so let's go into Cmder. Let's do I'm in my 1XX. Let's do a git status. And you can see because of that update that I did and things, I have Dreamweaver notes. So what I'll go ahead and do is just add all those notes, and then I'll do my normal commit DW notes. And at this point we should be able to do a git status, and we're clear. Awesome. So the next thing that we want to do is let's check our branches. So git branch -a, and there we see all of our branches, and they all look right. Looks like what we should have at this point. So let's do a git checkout -b to create a branch, and let's do 102 -0, and let's go ahead and check it out. We are now on our 102-0. If we come over here and we check in Dreamweaver, we'll take a look. We can see we're in our 100-2, and we look like we're good and ready to go. So pretty awesome. You got to see a little bit of a hack there and what we do with that. All right. See you when we get started.